It smells like wow. Wow. Wow, I love the smell, guys. It smells good. I look like a zombie. I look like a zombie. Mommy. Hey guys, I'm back with another video. If you are new here on my channel, welcome. My name is Flor, and for today's video, we will gonna be reviewing again another product in collaboration with Yesstyle. So the product that I am saying with you guys is this GPS Mask Home Spa Kit 3-Step. The last time that I used a facial mask when I was in Philippines, more than 2 years now since I haven't able to use any sheet mask on my face, and I'm so grateful that Yesstyle sent me this to try on. Thank you so much, Yesstyle. This mask, it costs around 13.45 euro, the price of this, and I got this as a gift from Yesstyle. Short information about this mask. It's a 3-step mask pack, contains cleanser, sheet mask, and nourishing cream for a minimalist but complete skin with unique gel to foam, oxygen cleanser to remove dirt, makeup, and dead skin cells. Follow with biocellulose mask to provide skin with deep moisture and nutrients. And finish with cell energy cream to lock in moisture and nutrients. Ooh. I'm so excited to use this mask, guys. Let's see how it works on our face. You will gonna put the mask 15 to 20 minutes. It's a little pricey, but let's see how it works on our face. I'm so excited. I'm super excited to try this. I'm done cleansing my face, so we will gonna open it right now and try it. You know what, guys? I really admire the skin of Korean girls and Japanese girls. They really have a very healthy skin and very glowing skin. Even they are old, they are still looking young. So guys, this is how it looks like. So here is the first one to apply the in and out cleanser. Second is the energy cream. The cellulose mask. Second is the cellulose mask, and the third one is the cream. Let's start with the in and out cleanser. Oh, it's like a foam. Wait, I'm gonna wet my face first. Like that, we can start it off. Let's try. So this is how it looks like. Smell. It's like aloe vera. It smells like aloe vera. So you have to include your neck too. Neck part. Para pantay siya. With your neck. You know what, guys? I'm so crazy with skincare products. I really love Korean skincare products because the ingredients are not strong. They are not strong with alcohol, are not strong with gently massage your face and then rinse it off with water. Rinse it with water. I'm gonna wash my face first. Wow, guys, I love it. I love the effects. Look at that shiny. It's shining and I love it. So I'm gonna take it like this. Didn't set to wipe your face, but I want to wipe it first. So second step, after cleansing the face, open the pouch and unfold the mask. Remove the first layer of the mask. Place the mask on the face according to face shape. Remove the outer layer of the mask and then leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes and remove the mask. Okay. So let's gonna open the sheet mask. So it says to remove the outer layer of the mask. The plastic one, this one. To remove this. So guys, this is how it looks like. I think it's big on my face. So remove it. And then let's gonna put it on our face. There's another plastic. So we have to put it like this. I look like a zombie. I look like a zombie. I almost forgot how to apply face mask. It's been 2 years. It's been more than 2 years I didn't apply any facial mask on my face. So, you know what guys? I'm putting on my neck the other noise to apply it on your hand to add moisture on your skin. You know. So we have to leave it for 15 to 20 minutes. So let's gonna set our timer. Gonna set for 15 minutes. And now let's relax a little. Mommy zombie. You know, I've seen before in Philippines the Korean girls, and I try to, when I see a Korean girl, you know what, I cannot help myself but look on their face. They really have a very clear skin, very glossy. Their skin is very clear, glowing, and healthy. It feels cold if I can. It's cold. Look at your neck. So guys, it's been 15 minutes already. So we will going to take this out now. Wow, it's so glowy. My face is very glowy. Look at that. Wow. Let's gonna proceed on our step 3. Apply the cream to the face and smooth it softly for better absorption. Use immediately after opening. So you have to use it fast after you open it. But first, I guess we need to dry first our face from the mask moisture. Wow, I love the glowing effect of this. My skin gets smoother and it's not sticky. It's not sticky, guys. You know, some masks I've tried before in Philippines, they are very sticky on skin, but this one is, it's absorbing fast on the hand and no smells at all. I don't smell anything. It's nice. It's wow. Guess next time I will buy for my personal use. So people asking how many times you have to apply a facial mask per week. For me, once or twice a week is fine. For me, just for me, my own opinion. You know, some people, they use the mask daily, wrong. They let it more than 1 hour, which is not good. You know why? It will make your skin dry. It will absorb all on your face and don't ever try to let it dry, because some people think that use it longer, it will absorb everything for your face, but that's not true. That's not true, guys. Actually, it will gonna make the dryness on your face, I tell you. So we will gonna apply now the cream. This one smells good. Wow, I love the smell, guys. It smells good. So I already applied the cream. I love the smell, guys. Oh my god. I'm surely buy another one of this. It's very nice. Look at that. I'm showing my face. It's glowing my skin in just one cup, guys. How much more if you use it twice a week, every week? And we will surely buy another one of this. More. I love it, guys. So if you are interested on this GPS mask, I will put the link of this product on the description box. And don't forget to use my code FLOR0193. That would be a big help for you to get 10% to 20% discount, and also I can earn a small commission with that. So it's a big help if you use my code FLOR0193. So I will attach all the link down on the description box. And if you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe down below and hit the notification bell, like that you will get notified on my future uploads. I love this. Thank you so much, Yesstyle.
All in all, I love this mask. It's perfect for travel or in home. So thank you for watching and see you on my next video. Bye.